Till now we looked at how you can create different elements without importing footage. To import a footage into After Effects, you can just go to import here, right click import file, and you can go to the folder and import your file. So I have already imported the files. Just click on this and import, and then just select your file, then new comp from selection. So now already new comp will be selected. Now what you have to do is you have to go through this FX list. So you can see many options. So under this you can go to this image, creative. You can just drag and drop the different effects and see what happens. For example, we can just drag and drop this like this. Now some effect has been added to this. You can select and change the different properties here. So there are a wide variety of properties. You can hold down this special effects, and there's this bad TV, so you can drag and drop this. Now you have added this bad TV effect. You can change the parameters here of this. So you have to just experiment and change the different properties. So likewise you can then just add the different effects to your footage. If you need to remove this, you can then just select this and hit delete. So this is under the effect controls tab, and you can just delete the different settings which you have used. So for example, if I drag and drop this grayscale, this has been added here. So you can select this and just hit the backspace to delete that effect. Again, there is many options here, so you can use this blur and sharpen. If you need to add this Gaussian blur, you can change the Gaussian blur value here and it will get blurred. You can turn off the effect by clicking on the effects button. So you have to just experiment by adding the different effects under this and try changing the parameters. Let's try to convert this scene into a rainy day. So we need to add rainfall and make this look like a dark blue day. So to do that, first let's color grade this. So let's go to FX and search for Lumetri Color, and then just drag and drop this. And under this basic correction, you can change this temperature of this scene. So let's make it like a blue day, and just turn down this exposure, like make it a bit dark. So now it looks like it's like a dark rainy day. By using some color correction, we have made this change. Now we need to add a rainfall to this. So to do that, you can go to this FX and search for rainfall. So you have this CC rainfall, just drag and drop this. Now already you can see that there is a rain in the scene. So now you have converted this into a rainy day. You can change this different parameters here, like the drops, size, speed, etc. So just play around these parameters until it looks like it's natural. So if you play this, you can see this. So it will take some time to render this. So you can, as mentioned earlier, change this work area like this. So if you play this, you have converted that footage into a rainy day.